Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. Got a beverage here by Smirnoff. This is the Smirnoff Ice Smash Screwdriver. It's an 8% ABV. It's showing an orange on here. It says premium malt beverage with natural flavors, certified in caramel colors. Brewed and bottled by Smirnoff Company. 8% ABV, if I didn't say that already. You're getting some orange aroma. You're getting a nice orange color. Screwdrivers are made with orange juice and vodka. I doubt we're going to get any vodka characteristics here. Got some carbonation going on. Screwdrivers don't have carbonation in them, so if you didn't have the carbonation going on in there, it's not too far off. At that 8%, it kind of pulls off the vodka. The screwdrivers, you can taste the vodka in it, but this you can kind of let it go. You can kind of let it go that you can't taste vodka, and that you're getting an 8% ABV. The orange juice kind of taste. It's close. It's close. It's pretty good. It is a little bit malty. Natural flavors. So I guess maybe it does have some orange in there. Didn't say anything, didn't have any ingredients or anything like that. These usually don't. Carbonation is light. That it says ice. I don't really know. I don't taste anything to indicate that it's an ice malt beverage. So I don't know about that. Maybe someone else should know that kind of information. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. You could pour this off into a little glass with some ice in it. This big can, you could probably share it between at least 2 people, of course. Yeah, pretty good. Smash, I don't know what the smash is. Maybe they smashed some oranges up in there or something. It almost looks like there's a line going right through the orange. I don't know what that indicates either, but screwdriver flavor, it says. Okay. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. All right, well, I'm gonna end it there. There's not a whole lot more to say about it. It's a little tangy. Get the orange juice flavor, getting the alcohol, getting carbonation. A little dryness on the back end. Medium sweet. Yeah, It's a decent beverage, different. I like it. Okay, well, I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good coming week.